I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone is unlocked and online. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is working. Next, get the Google username and password ready because you'll enter them in a minute. Open Settings, then tap Accounts or Users and Accounts depending on your Android version. Once there, you'll see a list of existing accounts. Tap Add Account and choose Google. This first actionable step immediately moves you into the sign-in flow so you can add the new Google profile. You'll now enter the Google email address and press Next, then type the password and complete any two-factor authentication if prompted. This secures the account. After sign-in, Android shows sync options, toggle contacts, calendar, drive, Gmail to control what syncs to this device. Make deliberate choices because sync affects storage and privacy. Also, follow prompts to confirm device security. You may be asked to use your PIN or fingerprint to authorize account addition. Once done, the account is added to your phone. You finish by controlling how the new account is used. Open Settings right arrow, Accounts right arrow Google and choose which account apps use as default, especially for Play Store and Gmail. If you want to remove an old account, select it in Accounts and tap Remove Account. This deletes its local data but not the Google account itself. If something goes wrong, pause and troubleshoot. Verify internet, recheck the password, confirm two-factor codes, and use account recovery if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.